So boom, this is not a sew-in, not a wig, and definitely not my real hair. This is Ywigs Kinky Curly Crochet Hair Extension, and I definitely love the fact that I'm partnering with them again because I love their hair so far. So I just braided down my hair like any type of way, and I did add that net in as you see, so that way I can easily put the crochet hair through. So this is how the hair is looking. This is 20 inches as well, and I love the fact that they also have this thread right here as you see, so it can easily lay on my hair with a natural finish. I will also have their website in the description, but this is how their website look with this hair that I actually am installing right now. So these are the different looks that it is giving. So again, like I said, this is Kinky Curly Crochet, so you get to choose whatever length you want. I got 20 inches, but also with one pack is 100 strands as you see right here, and they have all types of packages and you know just how many strands you want to use. I did use 6 packs in my hair so that way I can have a full head of hair. Now let's get into the installation. So this is with 4 pieces that I did install in the back. I love that I'm using the net because before when I was just using the braids, it's okay, but it's so much easier than just using my own hair, putting the, you know, crochet needle through and everything. It's just so much easier with this cap, y'all. So I'm definitely going to be using this method. I had someone let me know before that it was an easier method. I was like, you know what, might as well try it out, and I love it because when it's time to take these down, all I gotta do is kind of like, you know, take out the part that I sewed the cap down on, and then I don't have to individually take them out. So I definitely made it easier for me this time. But as you see, I am using 4 pieces of hair, and I just kind of spaced them out. And then when I get towards the front of the hair, I am using like less pieces, like more like 2 pieces. But this is how it looks with one pack of my hair. As you see, it's very full. Moving towards the front, I am using 2 strands or 2 pieces of hair, and I'm just, you know, looping it through like normal. I thought about using 1 strand, but 2 pieces was good enough for me. It is Afro kinky hair, so you really don't see the pieces of hair anyway. It kind of like blend in, and it looks just like my hair once the end come. You know, you seen in the beginning. But anyway, this is just how I do it. It's nothing much to it. Just, you know, put the hair through the braids and just knot it up. I did knot it one time because I am going to be taking these out. And because this is human hair, I will be reusing it as well. So as you see, I did do a leave out, so I'm just taking it out so that way I can really see how it's all gonna lay. I could have left them in, but I decided to take them out because I was curious how it was gonna look blended in with the hair, and as you see, it looks really good. I could have left more leave out towards like my part that you see that there's another twist. I don't know if you see, it's like a kind of like a side part. I thought about leaving more hair out. I feel like I could have or should have, but you know what, at the end I was like, okay, I improvised and it still blended in really well.
I'm so very fly, oh my, it's a little bit scary. Always wanna marry, looking in my carry. Hey, you can stab it, touch it, I'm very pretty as a picture, sweeter than a switcher. Mad cause I'm cuter than the girl that's with ya. I can talk about it cause I know that I'm pretty, and if you know it too, then ladies sing it with me. Oh, I don't leave it out again. Don't question what this girl did. Don't hate me cause I'm beautiful. Don't hate me cause I'm beautiful. I walk my talk the way I trip. It's not my fault, so please don't trip. Don't hate me cause I'm beautiful. Don't hate me cause I'm beautiful.
Then they love to hate, but all the bad model girls, they love to date. You need to check my swag, get up to date. Check my swag, get up to date. Cause when we cut,
Okay, so it did take me about 3 to 4 hours really to complete everything. So as you see, I'm just taking the middle part here, and this is how it look all fluffed out, y'all. This is looking like my hair. Look how big and beautiful this fro is. Now, I thought about wearing my hair just like this. I could have, I should have, and I actually will. But you know what? I want to see how well it defines. So I am spraying some water in here, and I'm gonna go ahead and apply some mousse on my hair and just kind of like rake it through my hair just to see what type of definition that it gives. Of course, you already seen the definition in the beginning, but I just want to see how it looks on me. So you know, I gotta add my personal touch to it. So I'm just applying some foaming mousse, and I'm just raking my hands through it. And also, as I rake my hands through here, I am detangling as well.
So bad, I guess that's the reason all the cops are so
Catch me, cameras flashing. Daddy turn his head just as soon as I pass him. Girls think I'm conceited cause I know I'm attractive. Don't worry about what I think, why don't you ask him? Talk together, don't hate. Jealousy's the ugliest trait. I could talk about it cause I know that I'm pretty. And if you know it too, then ladies sing it with me. Don't hate when I walk in, don't question that this girl's attention. Don't hate me cause I'm beautiful. Don't hate me cause I'm beautiful. I hold my tongue the way I trip. It's not my fault, so please don't trip. Don't hate me cause I'm beautiful. You don't hate me cause I'm beautiful. Don't hate when I walk in. Don't question that this girl's attention. Don't hate me cause I'm beautiful. Don't hate her cause I'm beautiful. I hold my tongue the way I trip. It's not my fault, so please don't trip. You don't hate me cause I'm beautiful. You don't hate me cause I'm beautiful.
The curl pattern looks just like mine as well. So this looking like 3C4A, okay, kinky curly baby. But this is how it looks all dry, fluffed out. And I did trim it a little bit just to resemble my actual hair. And as you see, the results is looking so good, y'all. I am feeling myself, y'all. I'm like, okay, inches. And I'm definitely going to be wearing this out for a couple of days. I'm not sure how long I'm going to wear this, but I know that I'm going to be rocking some other hairstyles with this look as well, because I just feel like I can't take it out yet. It's just looking too cute. This is a great protective style as well, so I'm definitely going to be rocking this. And I just want to show y'all the blend. As you see, looking like really good because my hair is blending in really well. You can't really detect where the hair is ending or beginning. So I really love this hair. Go ahead and check out the description box for more information, and check out Ywigs.com. Go ahead and give me a thumbs up, and I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.